Oh man. Good morning. So it's around 9 a.m. Focus. There you go. 9 a.m. Are we gonna do a different video today? Just give me a second. Let me put my face on. Welcome back to another one, a video with your favorite YouTuber, Taylor. Pew 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 pew. Yeah. So today we're gonna be making a wonderful, fantastic, scrumptious, mouth-watering snap. Again, take two. Damn. Welcome back. Yes, you. I'm talking to you there. Yes, you. Yes, I'm talking to you. We're going to do another fantastic video where we create, where we cook up, where we, create something scrumptious for you at home to eat in this lovely pandemic. So enough of that, let's get straight to it. Oh yeah, I totally forgot to tell you that we're gonna be making a sandwich. An easy to make sandwich. When I said easy, it's really easy. Anyone from the age, I know, what age can you cook something? Say 9 years old. Say it. I don't know, okay? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap.
So here are the ingredients. Salt, parsley, and black pepper. And there's more. Whatever this is basically a spread to put on your bread, bars, that can make it more flavorsome. You know what I mean? It's giving me more flavor. You know what I mean? And we can't forget the bread. The bread. This what bread I'm using today is basically a seeded bread, high in fiber, good for you. Make you poo poo. You know what I mean? Avocado. The reason why I have two, because in Britain we tend to have surprises with avocados. It feels good and healthy from the outside, but when you cut it open, you know what I mean when you see it. That's if you see it. We got our 2 eggs, you know what I mean? And our bacon. Bacon strip, I tend to like them thick. Pause. I was meant to get some salad, not salad, I was meant to get lettuce yesterday from the grocery store, but I couldn't find any. So baby spinach is gonna be the one. Without further ado, let's start it. So before we start, we need to do a little food dance to make sure that the food tastes good. You know what I mean? So cue the music. I'ma be that girl, you just own it. Easy. Lemon squeezy. So pots. Got a pot. Right? Oh, let me take you over here. I'll take you from over there. Are you comfortable over there?
Yes, I am. Leave me alone.
No, forget it. I don't need to know.
Leave me alone.
I can take you off here anyways, so I can show you how much water you have to put in.
I want to stay. Leave me.
Come on, work with me. There you go. Okay. Sorry for the weird transitioning, but our weird setup. It's a bit of a sticky one. A bit of a sticky one still. So you just fill the water, tap water, in the pot that's halfway. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we just get straight to the next part. Now that we have the water to a boil, I put the bacon in the grill off camera because I had to rearrange some things in my setup. You know, Studio 2 and that, you know what I mean? You know, we can't really work with so much what's going on. My whole setup is so crowded right now. But anyways, now that the water is to a boil, we're gonna tend to that like right now. The bacon's up in the grill. I put it on medium heat. So you don't want it to be, you don't want it to burn. You want it to take control of whatever is going on. So now that I'm at that stage, I'm gonna crack open some eggs. You know what I mean? How many times have I said that? Millions of times. So here are the eggs. You know, I'm not a professional, but I am a professional. So you do it as hard as you can, not over the pot, because some people do over the pot, but we're gonna do it right here. Crack that open, bad boy open. Nice and gently. And same goes for the other one. Oh, almost did it there, you saw me. Almost did it.
Yeah, boy.
For the bacon, you don't want to put no oil. Because if you do put oil, it's going to be really oily. Because the bacon produces its own oil. So you want to limitize the oil that you use. Even though it's olive oil or whatever healthy type of oil you're going to be using, it's still going to be too oily. So, with the eggs, you want to put a little oil, even though I just said not too much oil. Just a little, a little drip, you know what I mean? A little, boop, you know what I mean? Right here on the medium heat, about approximately 5 minutes. I'm gonna check the bacons now because it's sizzling like crazy. Where's my towel? Lovely jubbly. Anyways, we're going to flip those. So that's what we do, we flip bacons. Oh, my face is getting dry by the second. So I'm gonna place them back in for another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes. We're gonna turn down the heat. We don't want it to be overburnt. Easy. My face look dry, oh my god. What is this? I'm gonna show you what I mean by the avocados. They're kind of iffy in the UK. Avocado test number 1. Oh, okay. I see green. Bacon! Bacon! Oh. Bacon! This is how the plate looks right now without the bacon, the spinach, and the egg. So this is how it's supposed to look. Scrumptious. Whoa.
Lighters up, one time. I pulled up in the party when you saw me, I was lighting up my So go ahead and brighten up my day. Light is in the air when you're lighting up the rave, and it's feeling like I met you here before. Girl, I feel your presence when they let you through the door. Never had a brother give you everything and more, so I take a little piece and then the rest of it is yours, me and more. I
don't know when I think of you, I can do things in a play. I don't know where to they do me, but just this guy down my brain.
Fuck loving when I put you in your place. I can tell you love it just by looking in your face. The way that you wind up your waist, I'm so in awe. Girl, you never have to worry about nothing, you know it's yours, you know you own it. Girl, you just want it.
This is really good. Really, really good. Oh my gosh. So, this is what I'm having. PG Tip tea, this wonderful breakfast sandwich, and some fruit, banana and pear. You can have orange and banana or apple and banana, whatever your choice is. But that's all she wrote. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you want me to do another one, let me know down the bottom. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Let me know down in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.